Greetings to all, and thank you for coming today. And I am very happy that we have our audience here. Thank you for your initiative to pursue a glorious career by attending this webinar. We hope you have a great time. We will just be starting shortly. And also, I would like to ask that during these pandemic times, we are having this webinar because in the time of hardships, it's the only time when we can start working on ourselves. When the world is going through a pandemic, all we need to do is stay strong and start working on ourselves so that whenever the right opportunity arrives, we can actually work upon ourselves and achieve great things. Because when preparation meets the opportunity, only then we can actually achieve something. Also, I would like to ask all my participants, how has been the day for you and what do you look up to in this webinar? What else do you want to achieve in your careers, and something that you would like to tell us so that we can make, as Srajan Welfare Society works for empowering women, so we also would want to know what would you want our society to help you in a way. Please welcome our guest, Mr. RJ Webber, who is from FM 92.7 from Lucknow. And yes, please, or everyone, look up to our program and please welcome our guest. Okay, so as it's 2 and it's time to start a program, fine. So let's just go ahead with it. A very good afternoon and warm welcome to everyone present here. Thank you for joining us for today's webinar. And I am Simran Mahapatra from Srajan Welfare Society. We at Srajan Welfare Society believe that when action combined with ambitions and vision, only they can help us achieve ideals in the world. Srajan Welfare Society focuses on three major areas: education, employment, and healthcare, where we aim to open schools and hospitals while imparting education and employing talents. The word Srajan itself means creation. And in the task of being fruitful, multiplying, and filling the creation, women have played various roles in all cultures throughout time. Women nurture and give lives to families, societies, nations. That's what we are told here. Yatra naryastu pujyante ramante tatra devata. Yatra tastu na pujyante sarvastra falakriya. अर्थात जहां स्त्री जाति की पूजा होती है, आदर सम्मान होता है, उनकी अपेक्षाओं और आवश्यकताओं की पूर्ति होती है, वहां देवता निवास करते हैं। और जहां ऐसा नहीं होता और उनके प्रति तिरस्कार में व्यवहार किया जाता है, वहां किए गए समस्त अच्छे कर्म भी निष्फल हो जाते हैं। The Srajan Welfare Society is resolute to provide social, educational, and economic empowerment to women. The mission of Srajan is to make women self-reliant with their own identity and career with academic preparation. I would like to welcome you, Deepa ma'am. It's a great pleasure that we are conducting this webinar with you. Also, with this concept, Srajan is continuously organizing webinars and seminars in various fields. We act as a junction for connecting competent people with proven skillfulness, like our guest speaker today, Deepa Sayal ma'am, with people who have desires to learn and achieve. In this regard, today we have our guest speaker who is herself a woman who leads by example, which is obviously our eminent personality, Miss Deepa Sayal ma'am. She's a serial entrepreneur, mentor, incubator, digital transformation specialist, startup coach, and tech evangelist. She is the president and chief patron of Indian Women Institutional League, I Will India, executive director of Vivoki India, and CEO and founder of ADG Online Solutions. With 20 years of rich experience in the information technology domain, she has started 4 successful startups and won over 13 prestigious awards in the last decade. I now would like to invite Deepa ma'am to please enlighten our audience. Over to you, Deepa ma'am.
Hi, Simran. Thank you so much. Very great opportunity. And I'm very, very habitual of doing lengthy sessions which talk about me, but I would want to keep this session as interactive as possible. And so that my conversation is of meaning to women and ladies who are inspired to do something in their lives. So I think you can, I haven't done really much, but whatever I've done, you can, learn that little bit from my end and, make that I think that can be used very well for you guys in whichever pursuit that you want to put. Now, coming about me, I started as an entrepreneur back in 2008. My setting is very casual. Please pardon me. I'm at home because of pandemic. I started in 2008 with this entrepreneurship journey. Started with person. Before that, I studied after my marriage. It's a very long journey, but I can tell you that I started at the reception of an ad agency in 1997, and my stipend was 3,500. From there to this, of employing about 450 plus people in my company today. And I also run a women empowerment initiative called I Will India. And apart from ADG and I Will India, we are now incepting a new program and a very powerful program, which is known by the name of Tech Supergirl, wherein we gather as women who love technology and find different mediums and means. तो मैं हिंदी में भी बोलूंगी, इंग्लिश में भी बोलूंगी, आप फीडबैक दे सकते हैं जिस भी भाषा में आप कंफर्टेबल हैं मुझसे बात करने में. सबसे बड़ी बात जो मुझे लगती है लाइफ में, अगर आपको आगे बढ़ना है और कुछ करना है, कुछ भी करना है, if you want to be a painter, you want to be an educator, you want to be a businesswoman, or you want to be an entrepreneur, seasoned entrepreneur, सबसे बड़ी चीज जो हमारा साथ देती है, that is passion. कि अगर मैं किसी और को देख के कुछ नहीं कर सकती हूँ, दैट इज वेरी शॉर्ट लिव्ड. अगर वो कर रहा है तो मैं भी ये करता हूँ, अगर वो फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ रहा है तो मैं भी ये करता हूँ. नो, इट कम्स फ्रॉम विद इन. You are the creative hub of your life. You are the creative sensation of your life. And the very beginning of success lies within you. There's a very little voice inside you, a faint voice that will always tell you what you want in life. No matter what your parents tell you, what your kin tells you, what your siblings tells you, आपका सवाल का जवाब आपके अंदर ही छुपा हुआ है. That's right inside you.
Agreed, ma'am.
Yeah, so I would want all the ladies who are listening to open up and, let's do face to face. It'll be fun. Like, I don't want me to be a teacher, like I'm, talking and you're listening. I would be happy you can ask questions and meet me face to face. We did a session, just similar session in a Mumbai social work college, a very powerful session with women coming up with ideas. So I think that the right thing is right in your heart, and there is no हिंदी में उसको बोलते हैं रैट रेस. कुछ नहीं है दुनिया में. बहुत रैट रेस में देख रही हूँ. इंजीनियरिंग कर लो, सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग कर लो, नहीं. एप्टीट्यूड कंप्यूटर साइंस कर लो, नहीं. If it doesn't grow on you, it will not take you anywhere. I have live example. I have a 17-year-old daughter who stopped her school, who was featured everywhere and blah blah blah. But the lesson that we've learned in कि अगर आपको कोई चीज बेसिकली मोटिवेट नहीं करती है एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के लिए, या अंदर से पैशन नहीं है, तो वेट टिल योर कॉलिंग. आप इंतजार करिए अपने बड़े आइडिया का. जब तक वो आइडिया आपका साथ या आपको नहीं पकड़ता के या आपको नहीं कैप्टिवेट करता, तब तक यू वेट एंड वॉच द वर्ल्ड. That is the way to go about it. And I, as a person, has followed my heart. I am a daughter of my dad was a defense officer. He wanted me to marry a lieutenant or captain and settle in the Army Wives Welfare Association Society and be a good wife. But I was a rebel, so I fought with my dad. Not really fought, but yes, kind of what is this, agree to disagree kind of thing. And yeah, and I borrowed 5,000 rupees from my bua, who convinced my father and moved to Chandigarh. I lived in Jammu. He was in the forces. He was retired there. Went to this ad agency job, did reception. I convinced my boss I want to do, give me Maruti Indian Oil Corporation accounts. He said, no, you're not ready. So I waited for 6 good months to do it. And I proved it. And he gave me the regional accounts. I learned so much under my boss. And after 18 months or maybe 24 months, he fired me because I asked him a question, why do we call you sir? So I encouraged you to call me Deepa, although my team called me ma'am many of the times. I will not hide. Flat structures, flat organizations. I was fired out of the job and that taught me a lot. I picked up another job and then another job and then I got married and studied for 2 good years because पढ़ाई का बचपन से शौक है और मेरे बच्चों को भी वैसे ही शौक है मेरी तरह. तो पढ़ाई करा Indian Institute of Foreign Trade में. I was 9th in a group of 109 engineers. And after that, I built a tech magazine. I started a technology magazine. And then there was no looking back. So that tech magazine converted into an output of software company that employs about 450 people today. That's what I said.
Amazing, ma'am.
That's the story. And so the only thing is कि आपके अंदर जो एक छोटी सी आवाज आती है ना, भले ही आपके पेरेंट्स, आपके भाई बहन आपको कुछ कह रहे हैं कि नहीं 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 तुम ये करो वो करो, no, don't let that voice die. Because at the end of the day, when we close our eyes to the world, you know, when we go from here, at least मैंने वो किया जो मैं चाहती थी. It is, I know it is not the right context, but it's a very famous saying कि it is better to burn out than to fade away. तो अपनी जिंदगी को ऐसा बनाए हम जो दूसरों के काम आए, भले वो एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन हो या भले वो एक चैरिटेबल काम हो या पैंडेमिक पे हम कुछ मदद करें लोगों की, और उसमें आपकी अपनी कॉलिंग में you'll have that kick of yours that you're looking to garner. So that is the
Yes,
story.
ma'am,
Yeah. So I would want you to, rather than me driving in the hot seat, I would want you to come and ask questions, and I'll be more than happy if you have any questions, or I'll go on and on and on. That is how it is. You know.
Yes, ma'am. We would also like to request our audience to please, I know Deepa ma'am's experience will enlighten you up, because I can know that ma'am has gone through a long journey, and somebody's journey is always very inspiring when they, like they say, from rags to riches, starting by yourself, being a self-made person. So yes, I would like my audience and our audience actually to please drop in their questions, their queries, whatever you want to ask. Deepa ma'am is all yours today. You can know and ask as much as you want, okay? Because a person is more knowledgeable than 1,000 books. So please, everyone, please drop in your queries or questions or anything that, please.
I'm more than happy to take questions. 3 things that I'd like to tell each of you. एक तो जिंदगी भर learner रही है कि सीखने की कोई आयु नहीं है, सीमा नहीं है. When you think that I've learned everything, that is the time when you start a downslide. So be a student. Stay hungry, stay foolish, said Steve Jobs. It's very important to stay hungry and stay foolish. And the second thing that I'd like to tell you is take risks. Risk लेने से डरिए मत. जब तक आप वो जंप नहीं लेंगे, that lateral jump, तब तक आप अपना comfort zone नहीं छोड़ेंगे, और जब तक comfort zone नहीं छोड़ेंगे नया कुछ नहीं सीखेंगे. If you want to venture past the new boundaries and new horizons across the world, then you let go of your comfort zone. So I'm very proud to tell you girls, I'm a BSc Home Science graduate. मैं अपने हर एक लेक्चर में ये बोलती हूँ, और मैंने अपना फाइनल एग्जाम अपनी फ्रेंड्स को रिक्वेस्ट कर करके कपड़ा सिल लो, ये कर दो, वो कर दो किया. You can say I'm a BSc Home Science graduate to writing a digital transformation book. You know, I think it's a very interesting journey. The only thing that kept me glued was my passion for technology. I think I'm very enthusiastic about technology. It fascinates me. I love talking and brainstorming. So आपका भी कोई calling होगा. You must be having a center core that you love. Some people like painting. Some people like, you know, maybe doing a social media expertise. Some people like project management. Some people like cloud. I'll be more than happy to talk about your interest. Whatever is your pursuit in technology. I'm very happy to tell you कि मैंने कपड़ा सिलने से जम्मू यूनिवर्सिटी से फाइनल ईयर किया, और मैंने पिछले साल एक फेशियल रिकॉग्निशन सॉफ्टवेयर बनाया एक चाइनीज डेवलपर के साथ. So that is my passion. From that to this, I hated home science and I created a facial recognition. So what I'm saying is, good part, I found what I love. So find what you love, find who you are. It's a journey. Most of the people, हम सब जानते ही नहीं कि हम कौन है, हम क्या करना चाहते हैं लाइफ में. So very important है कि आप लोग अपने आप को पहले समझे कि मैं कौन हूँ और मैं क्या करना चाहती हूँ. अगर मैं घर पे रह के खुश हूँ, so couple of my friends back in the States, back in they've pursued their degrees of doctors and all, but they're not working. It's okay. They find joy in rearing kids up. Do what you want and what you love. Do what you love what you do. That is the best combination. अगर जिंदगी को summarize करना है तो जो करते हैं उससे प्यार करिए और वही करिए जिससे प्यार करते हैं, बस कोई भेड़ चाल नहीं है. अपने फंडे क्लियर रखिए, बिकॉज सबसे पहली बात है, more than being an established entrepreneur, you need to be happy. And once you find your calling, assume that you want to be an entrepreneur, work on your ideas, that this is my idea. And there's again a technique. How do you validate your idea? How do you think? So I would want discussion becomes so that I know what is the level of the audience and what is that they want to talk to me about. I'm happy to talk in any of the dimensions that you want me to.
Ma'am, one thing, I have some questions from my side because obviously I read a lot about you and I am really excited. I was more than excited for this webinar. So yeah, one of my first question that I would want to know is that how has your journey been? Like one word that you would want to describe your journey in, and also how it actually started in a way, like what actually drove you that yes, I need to do this. Like at what point did you find that yeah, I just need to do this, it's not working out, I just have to do it? And what has been your inspiration?
Simran, I was born to very, very nice parents. My father's very well posted. Like I've stayed in bungalows, I've stayed in very large houses and with Johnnies and सब कुछ था जिंदगी में, but हमने बहुत पैसा नहीं देखा. So I think my father was always hand to mouth because he never had any other means. He was just taking a salary. आपको पता है सरकारी salary कैसे होती है. So I was always, me and my brother, we both hand to mouth, and we both of us, we have, we thought that हमें कुछ करना है life में ताकि हम इतना कमाएं कि दुनिया घूम सके and stuff. That thing, So he used to sell Maharaja White Line के juicer mixers, और मुझे याद है ladies उसके मुंह पे दरवाजा बंद, जाओ हमें नहीं चाहिए. And today I can tell you that he's handling in Mumbai में, he's a performance business head है पूरे Southeast Asia. He's handling everything there. So मतलब जब तक, कहने का तात्पर्य ये है कि जब तक आप आग से नहीं निकलोगे तब तक तपोगे नहीं और सोना नहीं बनोगे. तो अगर आपके जीवन में कोई अभाव है, मान लीजिए कोई पेरेंट है जो जिनसे आपकी नहीं बनती, या उनके विचारों में क्लैश है, या पैसे की तंगी है, या आपको कोई कुछ पेरेंट्स मतलब शादी कर लो, क्या करना है. So इसको ना आप प्रॉब्लम मत समझिए. Don't look at it as a issue. Look at it as an opportunity for you. जब तक तपेंगे नहीं आग में तब तक सोना नहीं बनेगा, वैल्यू नहीं आएगी जी. That was a basic old fashion,
Ma'am, really, your answers are inspiring and so motivating that they actually relate to real life.
That's how it is.
Yes, ma'am. Setbacks are actually something, obviously our audience must have understood it, that कभी भी जैसे कहते हैं कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती.
चीटी से सीखे ना, सामान ले जाती है, दीवार पे गिरती है, फिर सामान ले जाती है. हिम्मत क्यों हारनी है यार, एक ही लाइफ मिलती है और उसमें अपना बेस्ट शॉट देना है, ताकि जब आंखें लास्ट में बंद करें. आई शुड बी टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस सो कैजुअली, बट एट द एंड ऑफ इट, और वैसे भी पैंडेमिक ने बहुत अच्छा लेसन हमें दिया है कि जिंदगी को इतना सीरियसली मत लीजिए. रोज एक नई सुबह है, रोज एक नया दिन है, और कल भूल जाइए अगर अच्छा नहीं बीता तो आगे बढ़िए.
Yes, ma'am. Amazing things. I hope our audience is also looking forward to our other questions. And if I'm not asking any questions that are being covered, please drop in your queries. It's a great thing that you can actually ask ma'am your questions. Another thing that I would want to ask ma'am, what was the toughest moment that you have experienced in your business practice? And how did you succeed to get over it and move forward? Other than the bank, like losing your money, because obviously that was something that I can feel from my side.
Yeah, it took time. I lost my clients and all, but Simran, I think आपको हर first को या हर 7th को salary देना है, or you're not bootstrapped. There are 2 types of businesses in entrepreneurship world. One is funded and one is non-funded. So I'm very glad to tell you, for the last 12-13 years मैंने ₹1 भी borrow नहीं किया किसी से. और अगर आप एक बड़ी टीम लेके आते हैं अपने साथ, मेरे पास, when I was in ADG, I used to have 35 to 40 guys. We were paying salaries and we never borrowed money. There were times that those were challenging, so payouts is very important on time. So, and that for that you have to really hustle. उसके लिए मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी आपको. आप कहीं से भी लेके आइए बिजनेस, आप अपनी टीम को ये नहीं कह सकते 7 तारीख को कि मेरे पास सैलरी देने के लिए नहीं है. So that is one thing. और दूसरी चीज है कि हमने आई थिंक कि बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना मुश्किल नहीं है, आप सबको मैं बता रही हूँ, मुश्किल नहीं है. इट्स नॉट डिफिकल्ट टू स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस. व्हाट्स डिफिकल्ट इज टू स्केल इट, यू नो. सो मैंने स्टार्ट किया, गाड़ी 20 की स्पीड पे आ गई, फिर उसको जब आप 70 की स्पीड पे लाएंगे और ग्लोबली compete कराना चाहेंगे, वहां पे आके जो है आपका सब कुछ उसमें चला जाता है. लाइक यू पुट एवरीथिंग इन इट. Scaling has been a challenge in many aspects, but God has been very kind. I think this is what I would rather say. The scale is a major issue. But having said that, remember this, that we have to groom ourselves. कि जो आपने आज सीखा है, मैं सब लड़कियों को बोल रही हूँ कि मैंने भी जो अपने मम्मी पापा के घर पे सीखा था, I have to unlearn that. I'm talking about interpersonal skills, even at work. So if you're an entrepreneur, if you're a leader, maybe my parents were very sweet and simple, but leadership is something that I've learned on my own over the years, you know. So learning to do that on your own and unlearning what you've learned, first life मेरे ख्याल से एक औरत की तब तक होती है, मुझे नहीं मालूम. I'm very old school. My daughters say, "Mama, getting married is not important." That's what they tell me. But there are two lives. There are two lives that एक होती है जो अपने मम्मी पापा के साथ सीखते हैं first life में, और फिर एक होता है जब आप अपने आप में आ जाते हैं. When you either you find your calling or you settle in a new family, whatever. So you have to unlearn things. So important is to unlearn that. It's very important.
Yes, ma'am, because obviously the world doesn't want, like, they are not so welcoming to women, and we as women need to have our own whole sort of values and driving something that drives you and keeps you going on.
I think there's no definition. What I'm trying to tell you is that there's no definition of black and white and right or wrong. It is just adapting new ideas with open fluidity. कि अगर हमें कोई चीज सही लगती है और आगे जाके कोई ऐसी चीज आती है जो हमें लगता है कि अरे ये सही नहीं है, तो उसको पहले 2 बार ही आप evaluate करिए अपना दृष्टिकोण. You have to evaluate how right you are when you're opining this or when you're saying that, because you should be open to new ideas is what I'm saying. Learn new things instead of having a stereotype. Very important. So stay open and keep learning, keep studying. पढ़ाई से जिनको प्यार है, सबसे ताकतवर वो हैं जिनको नई चीजें सीखने का शौक है. मैं अपना टाइम नहीं निकाल पाती, मैं कोशिश करती हूँ हफ्ते में एक किताब पढ़ लूँ Blinkist पे या but keep studying new things, keep learning new things. I think that is the best thing that can take place.
And ma'am, also I would want to know, like, what is the vision that you want to look forward to our country? Like, obviously, like, being a woman of technology, obviously you will want more women to be technologically empowered, because obviously working in a technology domain also has been a setback for women, because even that, like, a lot of fields in this, specifically talking about our country, and due to the male chauvinism and masochism and all of that. So yeah, what is your vision, and how can we all find a vision for ourselves? Like, how do we find our calling?
See, I would tell all the ladies, don't get dented or don't get discouraged by what people tell you. This, first of all, you are special, you are unique. Science has proved it. So take it in your stride. Whatever is your inner conscience, stick to it. Stand by. That's one thing. Second, we only have 14% women out of the 40,000 startups or 50,000 startups that sprout every day. तो आपको बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटी है आपके पास, और हमें इस नंबर को बढ़ाना है. और सो more and more women should turn entrepreneurs, whether you're running a mental health or wellness setup, whether you're running a cloud kitchen, whether you're running a technology based company. You need to have that, we need to see that vigor. More and more women coming in as entrepreneurs. पर तब होगा जब अपने में विश्वास रखना शुरू करेंगे. हर एक चीज के लिए अपने मेल काउंटर पार्ट्स या ब्रदर्स या फादर्स के पास नहीं जाएंगे कि बताओ मैं क्या करूं. लो, आपके अंदर है गाइडेंस लेने में, मार्गदर्शन लेने में कोई बुराई नहीं है, पर अपने में विश्वास रखना सीखें. आप सही हैं अगर आपकी आवाज अंदर से आती है that I'm right and I stand up for what I'm doing. There's no power in the world that stops you. So one is believe in yourself, that's first. And second is we increase the number of women entrepreneurs that are in the country at the moment. We're only 14%, which is a very, और उसमें से भी कई co-founders हैं जिनमें spouses चलाते हैं कंपनी और औरतों का नाम डला हुआ है. So वो सही नहीं है. Let's change it, yeah. We're only using 14% of our brains. Let's put new ideas in it. Rise above and beyond gossip sessions, and let's show the world that we can think new ideas every day. What do you think, girls?
Amazing, ma'am. Truly, we need, obviously, before you want to do something, before someone else puts their confidence in you, you will have to have your confidence in you, so that you know that when you're given the opportunity, I will kill it. Ma'am,
और
so
सबसे बड़ी बात एक बात मैंने बहुत लेट सीखी लाइफ में सिमरन कि अगर आप अपनी इज्जत करेंगे तो लोग आपकी इज्जत करेंगे. यू रिस्पेक्ट योरसेल्फ एंड द पीपल विल क्यू अप टू रिस्पेक्ट यू. दैट्स द डील. इफ यू आर गलेबल एंड यू डोंट रिस्पेक्ट योरसेल्फ कि हाँ उसने बोला तो ठीक है, नो, आई डोंट बाय दैट. क्रिएट योर बाउंड्रीज, बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ. जब आप बाउंड्रीज बनाएंगे आप अपने आप को पहचानेंगे कि मैं कौन हूँ. और एक बार आपने अपने आप को पहचान लिया तो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप क्या यार, अब 1,000 करोड़ की कंपनी बना सकते, बस जज्बा होना चाहिए. Just invest in an idea and be very sure of what you're doing in life.
completely agreed, ma'am. I cannot be more motivated because obviously, jazba to hona chahiye. So now coming back that you're a reader yourself, and as you've been saying that we should keep learning, like whatever happens, don't stop learning, don't stop working on yourself. So, ma'am, any books or like what kind of books would you actually would want to recommend our women and our ladies? And what kind of books do you actually read? Like what genre?
I don't have a genre. I'd say girls, I read. मैं पूरी किताब पढ़ने का टाइम नहीं रखता तो मैं ब्लिंक लिस्ट पे पढ़ती रहती हूँ किताबें. अभी मैं पढ़ रही हूँ द मैजिक ऑफ थिंकिंग बिग. इट्स अ वेरी ओल्ड स्कूल बुक, सब कोई पढ़ता है. So I'm reading the Magic of Thinking book, but I have read a couple of good books. There are like the beautiful book by Tom Fisherburne. I'm not able to remember the title, but it's totally upon your choice. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Then there's a beautiful book there's a beautiful book by the name of Jonathan Livingston Seagull. अगर आप basics life में correct करना चाह रहे हैं अपने, बड़ी प्यारी सी किताब है, 50 पन्नों की, आपको कहीं भी मिल जाएगी. It's called Jonathan Livingston Seagull. It's about a seagull, and it's it's written by Richard. I don't know the full name here. I'm just trying to recollect. Richard Bach, I guess, he's the writer. But read, believe in yourself, no matter what. Don't let that dent happen to you. World judges.
So. Great, mom. Obviously, I have noted down these names of these books. Even my audience should be noting it down because, if it's coming from her, it's tried and tested. And another question, ma'am, that I do have is about gender discrimination, as it's a very hot topic. It remains a hot topic, obviously.
Absolutely.
So, do gender discrimination and feminism issues also come and affect the corporate world, and how did you actually tackle them?
Absolutely.
It's
absolutely. I'm a rebel, Simran. I'm not the kind to put up with things, but I think people should be diplomatic, So I'll tell you, I chucked my job. I'll not name the company. My boss had a budget of about 5 crores every year. He gave me a budget and he said, "Abhi ruko, baad mein dekhenge kya karna." So everything that I went to him, he said, "Abhi ruko, baad mein dekhenge." So the idea is like it gave a feeling that it's a men's dominated world, but ऐसा नहीं है. ऐसी भी कंपनीज हैं जो औरतों को बहुत अच्छा मौका मिलता है. मैं आपको एग्जांपल देती हूँ. इन मोबी में थी वसुधा अग्रवाल है. She's very good and she's been picked up by amongst many of the male counterparts and she's doing very well. So there are women CEOs who are doing wonders. So it's not fair of me to judge one lens से सभी को. बहुत अच्छी कंपनीज भी हैं, बट हाँ आपको ये मिलेगा जरूर कि औरतों को थोड़ा सी ज्यादा मशक्कत करनी पड़ती है अपने आप को प्रूव करने की कि भाई मुझे बहुत कुछ आता है, डोंट वरी. पर आपको प्रूव करने की जरूरत क्या है, सवाल तो ये उठता है, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि आप कौन हो. Who cares about the world? So you know it. If you have it, I think your focus should be कि अपने को और कैसे strong और powerful बनाना है. और एक ही word आता है मेरे जहन में और वो होता है knowledge, because knowledge is power. Read daily newspaper, Google through many tools, understand what is your core skill set that that asks for your calling. I think you are the creative force and nobody can mess with you if you know your business. That's the thought that I have. अगर आपको पता है what's your game, जितना मर्जी दुनिया बोले, एक हाथी अपनी चाल चलता रहता है ना, बोलने दो बोलने वालों को. मुझे पता है ना मैं कौन हूं, मैं नहीं शेक होने वाली. So ये है, it's more like a motivation session. I would love you guys to come and ask me a question on entrepreneurship. I'm happy to answer based on my journey. But I think you should be an elephant, like in the good sense, not in the bad sense, guys. But an elephant who is barely affected by what people talk or say. He is what he is, and he treads his own paths.
Yes, ma'am. And once you are good at what you do, the world will always invest in you.
They will regard you, respect you. There are people, when you are a failure, people like, isko to kuch aata hi nahi hai. When you're a success, oh man, can you come and see me for 30 minutes? That's how the world changes. they speak your language, so you are the boss. Baat khatam.
And ma'am, like being career oriented, also coming back to my career thing, because obviously I am going to embark on a career. So yeah, this question is very close to my heart.
Sure.
And I think a lot of our ladies who are, because we are basically conducting this webinar for colleges, for women who are in colleges or just going to embark something new. So how like being career oriented obviously affects your life a lot, because you have your focus somewhere else. Like जब जो लड़कियों से माना जाता है कि हाँ चलो ठीक है, घर संभाल लेगी, आगे क्या करेगी, हाँ ठीक है, घर संभालो, पति कर लो, बच्चे कर लो, आगे की घर में सब कुछ इन्वेस्ट कर दो अपना। तो करियर ओरिएंटेड होने से क्या लैक करता है? इज देयर समथिंग दैट you miss while being career oriented, or how do you juggle between both, like your career and your
So,
family life?
incidentally, because ये all women's forum है, so forgive me अगर कोई आदमी सुन रहे हैं इसको, तो मुझे पहले ही क्षमा प्रार्थी हूँ। बट मैं बताऊंगी कि एम्बिशियस वुमेन, एम्बिशियस होना बिल्कुल बुरी बात नहीं है, करियर वुमेन होना बहुत जरूरी है। जैसे मैंने बताया कि जब आप अपने पैरों पे खड़े हैं तो लोग आपकी रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं, तो बहुत जरूरी है कि आप अपने पैरों पे खड़े हो, लेकिन उससे भी जरूरी है कि आप बैलेंस करें। अब मैं बहुत सारी औरतों को ऐसे देखती हूँ जो करियर ओरिएंटेड हैं बट उन्होंने अपना घर नहीं बसाया, नो हस्बैंड, नो चिल्ड्रन। तो ऐसे नहीं, बैलेंस, टेंडर बैलेंस, घर को भी देखना है, करियर को भी देखना है। पर हम क्या चेंज कर सकते हैं कि हम अपने परिवार को, अपने किन को, अपने स्पाउस को कन्विंस कर सकते हैं कि लिसन, I believe that you believe in my dreams too. So it's 50-50. 50% I want to build my career and I'm going to be invested at home. So that's how I did. I have two beautiful daughters. I have a spouse. I think I maintain balance. I do not work for many corporates, but then I chose to stay at home and gradually build up my entrepreneurship career. And I did, I think, decently okay. It's a very fair balance. But my daughter has been accepted in the University of California, San Diego recently. So I'm very happy कि अगर मेरे पढ़ने से उसको, उसका दृष्टिकोण मैं बदल पाई हूँ, क्योंकि वो और मैं अक्सर डेटा एनालिटिक्स की तरफ बातें करते हैं, वी टॉक अबाउट, मैं उसको बताते रहती हूँ फ्यूचर वर्क क्या होता है, तुम्हें कैसी तैयारी करनी है। तो अगर मैं नहीं पढ़ी होती या मैं एम्बिशियस नहीं होती तो मैं ये दृष्टिकोण अपनी बच्ची को नहीं दे पाती, और ना ही वो एक नई जर्नी स्टार्ट करने के बारे में एक बड़ा सपना देखती। So to dream big, stand on your feet. It is very important to be career oriented. No harm at all. And believe me, you'll get criticism somewhere or the other. Don't get intimidated. मैंने बताया, हाथी अपनी चाल चलता रहता है, no matter what. बिल्कुल बारिश, धूप, तूफान से घबराना नहीं।
Yes, ma'am. Another thing that now obviously our audience is getting ready. Okay, I am happy that the questions have started coming. One question that I would like to take is from Ashwati Shaji. And the question is, ma'am, who is your role model?
यार उनका नाम हमेशा भूलती हूँ, आप हंसोगे। एक तो मुझे मिशेल ओबामा बहुत जबरदस्त महिला लगती है। मुझे लगता है कि बराक ओबामा इसलिए अमेरिका के राष्ट्रपति थे क्योंकि उनकी बीवी मिशेल ओबामा थी। शी है, मतलब शी इज वेरी केपेबल। आई हैव फुल फेथ इन। I also like Indra Nui. I really admire her to sit on a leadership board, and also I read a beautiful article from her that details how she has beautifully managed her home. So being a woman leader is not about signing or doing corporate board meetings or managing product portfolio. It is much more beyond that, to balance and juggle a beautiful rhythmic balance in your family, personal life also. But that has to be done very subtly and very intelligently. And that is what a leader is, in my opinion. That's why I admire this.
Ma'am, yeah, one thing that I would like to add, even Michelle Obama is my idol, because yeah, I have seen her achieving great things, and she's someone who just keeps on working so much, like relentlessly working women. It's something that we all need, because women drive our society.
She is someone who speaks her mind without fear, and she's someone who is very, very sensitive to women's issues also. She knows. So I think I respect her as a leader, and I'm sure you guys also like her. So that's
moving on to our next question, ma'am. It's from Sana Khan. And the question is, how to deal with parental disappointment over odd career choices and how to convince them. What would you like to add, ma'am?
I'll tell you this, a little story in 3 lines. My brother wanted to be in the forces because my dad wanted to be in the forces, and there was a major juggle at my home for 10 good years. That फौज में नहीं गया, वो फौज, माँ बाप का जो दृष्टिकोण है वो बहुत प्यारे है हमारे, मुझसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं, पर उनका दृष्टिकोण इतना देख पाता है। और क्योंकि हम नए पौधे, वी आर द मिलेनियल्स, वी कैन सी अ बिगर पिक्चर। तो आज शायद वो आपसे नाराज है, बट आगे जाके जो आप चॉइसेस करेंगे, दे विल बी प्राउड ऑफ यू। एंड टुडे माय ब्रदर गिव यू एग्जांपल कि मेरे घर में ऐसा हुआ है कि पापा वाज वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड कि फौज में नहीं गया, बट वो जितना कमाता है वो मेरे ख्याल से ही मेक्स अबाउट 7 times of what फौजी ऑफिसर्स मेक, यू नो, सो ही अर्न्स वेल, ही इज वेरी वेल एस्टैब्लिश्ड, अब नाउ ही इज हैप्पी। तो फिर पेरेंट्स की इतनी सी बात है कि आज प्रेशर है, आप उनके साथ कम्युनिकेट करें, आंख में आंख डाल के बोलें कि ये मुझे करना है। और मेरे घर में भी ऐसा है, माय हस्बैंड वांटेड माय डॉटर टू बी इन आईआईटी एंड शी डिडंट वांट टू गो टू आईआईटी, शी हैड बिगर ड्रीम्स, and now both of us have taken a step back after 6 or 9 months or 10 months, and we realized that she was right, but she had to convince us. So आप भी अपने पेरेंट्स को कन्विंस कर सकते हैं। ये शॉर्ट टर्म है डिसअपॉइंटमेंट, अपने अंदर को खोजिए, बट फर्स्ट यू फाइंड योरसेल्फ एंड देन योर पेरेंट्स विल आल्सो स्टार्ट बिलीविंग इन यू। डोंट फील, अगर उनको ये फीलिंग आए कि मेरा बच्चा लॉस्ट है, तो फिर गड़बड़ है। They need to know that my daughter knows what she wants to do, you know. और मैं उसको अंग्रेजी में बहुत पावरफुल वर्ड है, अगर आप इसको ले जा सकते हैं, जिसने मुझे हमेशा जिंदगी में आगे मार्गदर्शन किया, उसको मैं बोलती हूँ courage of conviction. If you have the conviction to do something extraordinary, and extraordinary से मैं ये नहीं कह रही माउंट एवरेस्ट चढ़ जाइए, बट जो भी आप करें शिद्दत से करें, और इतने लगन मेहनत से कि माँ बाप भी देखेंगे कि भाई इसमें है दमबंदी में, इसको छोड़ दो, जो ये करना चाहती है हथियार डाल दो।
True, ma'am. Being a rebel always helps you in
It
the
helps. We are rebel, but I'm not asking you to fight with your parents. No, no, no. I'm asking you to communicate with them. You know, it's
yes,
about
ma'am.
that.
Like obviously, I'll note it down. Courage of conviction. Please,
Courage of conviction.
our audience, please note it down. It will always help you out. And ma'am, our next question is from Harleen, who wants to say that listening to you has been very inspiring for her. And how do you manage to be so optimistic in a field of constant ups and downs?
Oh, that's a very sweet question. हरलीन, मैं आपको ऑप्टिमिस्टिक देख रही हूँ, कभी कभी मैं भी दिल छोड़ देती हूँ, बट फिर मैंने बताया ना आपको कि हर सुबह एक नई सुबह है। And I don't know, I have this mystic law, I believe in the law of miracles, कि आपको नहीं पता कि शायद दरवाजे के उधर आपके लिए कोई मिरेकल इंतजार कर रहा हो। अपनी लाइफ को ऐसे देखिए that you never know the Almighty. Of course, मेरा जज्बा है, so I commit to the Almighty that God, I'm going to give my 100%, but I want the lady luck to shine on me, and it's a lethal combination. I believe in luck, 10% luck का भी हाथ होता है। तो जब आप ऐसे होपफुल रहते हैं ना, तो कोई भी ग्लीम ऑफ डिसअपॉइंटमेंट आपको बहुत देर तक पकड़ नहीं सकते, उसको जाना ही पड़ेगा। You'll have to say, go away, sweetheart, because the lady luck is going to shine on me very soon.
Keeping believing on ourselves. True,
Yes.
ma'am.
You'll
That
get lucky.
like ourselves always like someday your like कहते हैं ना किस्मत की किताब में कभी ना कभी हो सकता है कि लिखा हो कि हाँ जैसा आप चाहें, क्या पता आपका कभी भी कोई सपना कभी भी पूरा हो सकता है।
एक और चीज है, पैंडेमिक में मुझे नहीं पता आपने सीखा है नहीं, पर जितनी प्रीशियस लाइफ बन गई है पैंडेमिक में, और जो हम देख रहे हैं इतना वॉलेटाइल भी रही है लाइफ, तो कुछ भी सक्सेस और फेलियर के मायने बदल गए हैं यार, अगर मुझसे पूछो तो ऐसा कुछ हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है कि आप बहुत पैसा कमा रहे हैं तब सक्सेसफुल है। नो, आई नो पीपल हु हैव लॉस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ मनी, आई नो पीपल जो पैसा बिल्कुल काम नहीं आया पैंडेमिक में। सक्सेसफुल होने के मायने ये है कि आप जो भी करें उसमें खुश रहें, दैट इज सक्सेस। और ये जरूरी नहीं है कि दुनिया को आपको जज करना पड़े that hey she is so successful, that is false, that is false. The world is no one to judge you, you know who you are, and instill that confidence, अपने अंदर वो आत्मविश्वास बनाए, एग्रेसिव होके नहीं, हम्बल रह के, बट वो आत्मविश्वास बहुत जरूरी है हर एक के अंदर, you know, believe in yourself no matter what.
Yeah, one
Yes.
lesson that obviously I would want my audience to please like, because this line of yours, Deepa ma'am, has just touched my heart, that yes, we have to work hard, but by being humble and having our humility within ourselves. Also,
Absolutely.
yes, pandemic has all taught us that humanity is a great thing and you need to love them. Like, obviously, when you see the pandemic actually taught us that there's a huge difference that we see with like within our society. There are poor people, there are middle class people, there are people who are like filthy rich, but still diseases don't see who you are. When life does not actually make differences for you, didn't
Absolutely.
have that cutthroat competition there.
There's one thing that I want to tell each of you. Even today, I invest a lot in fitness. I am not the Jane Fonda, But I really invest in fitness. I try and spend almost 90 minutes of my day, every alternate day, in hardcore fitness. So pick up aerobics, or pick up yoga, or pick up walking, pick up something that makes you physically fit, because it releases good, happy hormones and it keeps your positive thoughts. Because आप सब लोग इस वक्त घर पे होंगे mostly, तो अपने आप को positive रखने के लिए invest in health, and health is fitness, and eat well, exercise well. They're two important things too that I suggest each of you.
Great, ma'am. I love listening to you, ma'am. I can listen to you for hours, and I'll be more than happy if. And moving to our next question, that is from Miss Rabab Fatima, who wants to ask that anything you wish that you knew before becoming an entrepreneur.
Now, this is an amazing question, and this is very surprising. So I found this down my Almira back in, I wrote in 1997, which was roughly 24 years ago, that uh, I'd say I want to do something. I don't want to work for anyone, but I want to build a company. And I think that brilliance is not a definition. It is the result of my day-to-day determination. And I found this diary in my closet almost 2 years ago. So आप सोच सकते हैं कि मैंने 2019 में ढूंढी है डायरी, 23 साल के बाद, 22 साल के बाद, और मुझे बहुत मजा आया देख के कि सच में मैंने एक कंपनी बनाई और मैं वाकई किसी के नीचे काम नहीं कर पाई हूँ. मैं अपना काम करना चाहती थी. और आई बिलीव वेरी इंपॉर्टेंटली कि अगर आप डिफाइन कर लो कि रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी मेरी ब्रिलियंस डिफाइन करेगी, तो वो करके छोड़ो. So I think somewhere inside I knew, because the passion was always there. अगर आप भी कुछ करने का जज्बा या क्रेजीनेस रखते हैं, या एक उसको मैं क्या, जज्बा इज द राइट वर्ड, पैशन इज द राइट वर्ड, तो कोई नहीं रोक सकता. इट विल जस्ट हॉन्ट यू पैशनेटली, और वो आपको छोड़ेगा ही कहीं ना कहीं पुश करा के. So
True,
छोड़ना
ma'am.
नहीं है.
Passion actually, when it meets intensity and excellence, you do wonders for the world.
Absolutely.
Ma'am, and our next question. Oh, okay. This question is really very important actually, because this pandemic has actually taught us the value of our families.
Correct.
So, this is from Miss Urmila Nagar, who wants to ask, how do you handle your work-life balance? Like, is there some strategy do you have, or how exactly can you do it?
देखिए, मेरा ऑफिस मेरे घर से 1 किलोमीटर दूर है, तो मैंने समझदारी दिखाई. शुरू में मुझे लगता था कि यार ये लोकेशन अच्छी नहीं है, बिकॉज कभी कभी मुझे मैन पावर इतनी बढ़िया मिलती नहीं थी. मुझे लगता था कि, तो उस चक्कर में क्या हुआ कि मुझे मैन पावर को सिखाना भी आ गया. लाइक आई स्टार्ट टू टीच पीपल, एंड आई डू दैट ब्यूटीफुली टुडे. आई टीच अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, इंक्यूबेट देम. इंटर्न्स को बहुत अच्छा सिखाया मैंने. बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस मेरे ख्याल से मैं आपको गिना सकती हूँ 40 लड़कियों के आसपास जो यहाँ मल्टीनेशनल में डायरेक्टर्स हैं आज 10-12 साल के बाद. तो एक चीज वो थी, और दूसरा मेरा ऑफिस पास में था, तो मैंने ट्रैवल टाइम बचाया. ये जो 1.5 घंटे आना और जाना, तो 3 घंटे दिन के आप सोचें, और 30 दिन के आप बताएं 90 घंटे आप बचाते हैं, वही मैंने इन्वेस्ट किया. तो ये ब्लेसिंग रही मेरे लिए कि मेरे बच्चे भी बड़े हो गए. सो वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस को इतना तोप नहीं है. Get up early, make a charter of your day, and you have, we are lucky we are in India. In Europe and in US, you don't have domestic help. So one of the reasons that helped me grow as an entrepreneur is that I had domestic help. I stay in a nuclear family. My in-laws are in Chandigarh. But since I had domestic help, they used to cook for me, and I was very lucky that all I had to do was supervise. So that's a beautiful balance. Basics were correct. Clean nearby office, domestic help, and obviously there's no looking back.
Okay, ma'am, great thing that yes, we always need to balance this, because this is important. When the balance is not there, it'll just trouble uneffective.
Yes, especially अगर आप एक again you say this woman is very old school, but if you are in a marriage, a bond of marriage, and you have to juggle with the spouse, you have to be very intelligent, and it has to be beautifully done 50-50, like, so the family also doesn't, but they also have very important, you're lucky if your spouse supports you. तो आप में से जो married नहीं है, mostly I'm sure बहुत बच्चे हैं जो married नहीं, तो spouse ऐसा लेना जो मदद करे, जो बहुत congenial हो grow करने के लिए. That is a good thing. So if your spouse is supportive, yeah. Please.
Yes, ma'am. And obviously, we need a supportive family. Obviously, family affects everything that you do. If your family doesn't support you, it is a mess up. Okay.
Oh.
So yeah, please always do your work, but then have your family by your side. Take care of them. Your closed ones are best power, I think, motivating force that you can have. And another thing that I would want to ask, ma'am, that what would be your message for Srajan Welfare Society? As Srajan Welfare Society is working for women, we are trying to make women self-reliant and independent in their lives. And also, we have been working on the sector of education and medical healthcare, and we are hoping to put up schools so that like the poverty gap and all of that can be changed, so that everyone gets an equal opportunity to learn and work properly. Also, we are trying to make women skilled in their work so that they can be employed. So, yeah, what would be your message to us? Like, how can we work for the betterment of them and empowerment?
देखिए, मैं ये सजेस्ट करूंगी कि आप ऐसे जो टेक्नोलॉजी में ट्रेन होना चाहते हैं वो टेक सुपर गर्ल में जरूर ज्वाइन करें. हम नए नए आइडियाज ढूंढते रहते हैं. ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग बिजनेसेस थ्रू टेक्नोलॉजी इज आवर मेन से, दैट्स वन. एंड द सेकंड थिंग इज कि देखिए, being a woman, you should create new and new opportunities for other women, hone your skills as entrepreneurs, and I think about how you can impact more lives, women. But having said that, you can do. सृजन को मैं ये करूंगी कि आप पार्टनरशिप्स डेवलप कर सकते हैं अपने इनको बढ़ावा देने के लिए, और वी कैन एक्सप्लोर सिनर्जीज, हाउ वी कैन टेक दिस स्टेप फॉरवर्ड. बट आई जस्ट सेड टेक सुपर गर्ल में हम बहुत कुछ करने जा रहे हैं, कुछ कर रहे हैं, जिसमें CIOs हैं, CEOs हैं, कई कंपनीज हैं जो स्किल सेट्स के लिए जॉब प्लेसमेंट्स करती हैं लेडीज की, उनके साथ आप जुड़ सकते हैं. And then there are many other things that you may connect with me one-on-one at my LinkedIn account. I'm more than happy to accept an invite and tell you if you have a question or any consultancy that you would like to do. That is how it is.
And now I guess we have covered up all our questions as I'm checking. Is there anything that, ma'am, you would want to be covered before we wrap up this webinar?
Nothing at all. I really want all of you ladies that if this conversation has in any ways and means been effective and has motivated you to do better in life, please go ahead and do it. Think big. Don't be scared. Don't be, you don't stand still because of your dogmas. कोई thought negative आता है उसको हटा दे फटाफट कि मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी. ऐसा नहीं है. आपके पास बहुत पोटेंशियल है, आप बहुत काबिल हैं, जितना आप सोचते हैं उससे ज्यादा काबिल हैं. और हम सब सिर्फ 14% दिमाग इस्तेमाल करते हैं जितना हमें भगवान ने दिया है. सो हम वी आर केपेबल ऑफ मच मच मोर. This is a limitless world, and believe in the mystic energies, miracles in life. They happen, and you have a beautiful life ahead. Don't let the pandemic dampen your spirits. Look high. I know there have been losses. I know there have been very tragic instances, but I wish you all the best. And I really hope if you have any questions for me, if you want to connect and ask a question, I'm more than happy to answer for you here.
Ma'am, I am so impressed by the clarity that you show, the clarity in your thoughts, the bright personality that you bring forward. I am so happy that I have actually got this opportunity to learn and actually talk to you. And obviously, our audience has been loving this because I can see the questions did pop up and they were taking so much interest. So, yes, this has been very incredible. And
Sure.
also, I love the energy that you brought to our webinar, ma'am. Like, you've been really dynamic, the things that you did. And
Thank you.
obviously, all our women need to actually keep working on themselves. मतलब सोचो मत कि हाँ कुछ रोक सकता है, तुम्हें रोक ही नहीं सकता, छोड़ना ही नहीं ना, तो रोकेगा कैसे?
अरे मम्मी पापा डांट लगा रहे, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. ठीक है, शॉर्ट टर्म सोचो इसको, वो भी बहुत जरूरी है डांट खाना. बहुत लंबा स्केल है ये, अभी बहुत लंबी जर्नी है, बहुत लंबा जाएंगे आप, बहुत कुछ बदलेगा उस दौरान. आई एम 44, मैंने जिंदगी को बदलते देखा है. तो ठीक है, एंजॉय दिस डे, लेट योर हेड डाउन, इज व्हाट आई रेकमेंड.
Also, coming to our wrap up, first, please, I would like to thank my team, which is incredible. They have been hardworking and really diligent. So, yes, I would like to call upon our names of our team: Smriti, Sana, Urmila, Fatima, Jessie, Sanskriti, Sai Priyanka, Ashwati, Shiva, Deepti, Soumya, Ambika, Shraddha, Divyanshi, Harleen, Unmuchika, Falguni and Gunjan. Okay, so yeah, let's come up to our wrap up. I think I'll be the first one joining, ma'am. Because
I
will
mentioned the
not
link in
be
the chat,
anything.
so everyone can follow that link and join us, and we'll be more than happy to take you. Yeah, more than happy to synergize with you all.
Yes, people, as Nidhi just said, that yes, don't leave this opportunity, don't leave any opportunity, and just keep on working on yourself. As ma'am said, become a rebel in for your own good and keep working, keep empowering yourself. Also, I would like to say that I think this has been the most inspirational talk that I've been to. I don't know about you. I think you also have enjoyed a lot. And yes, I would like to say, Deepa ma'am, that you are very inspirational. Like you can make anyone get going. I haven't stopped smiling since I've started talking to you, and
That's great.
I just think our audience must have enjoyed. Thank you for your time and all the knowledge that you've shared with us. With
Thank
this, we come to wrapping up our webinar. This is one of the little efforts that Srajan Welfare Society has been doing and will continue doing towards the empowerment and betterment of women. And also, we would like anyone who wants to work for the empowerment and betterment of women to come join us, talk to us. Also, I think you've had an amazing time with us and our respected guest, Miss Deepa Sayal ma'am. Thanks for joining. This is Simran
Thank you.
Mahapatra signing.
Thank you, and have a lovely day, ladies. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye.